everybody, welcome back to Outdoors Exploring. And today we're going to be doing a review on the Huffy mountain bike. Now this is Dylan's. He is behind the camera right now. And yeah, he got this for Christmas. And I know it's kind of like to be anyway. So, come on. Alright, so it has the fat tires because it's mountain bike, obviously. Then to take the kickstand off, you have to squeeze it, then push it up. Alright, and then it has like different, what do you call them?
They're gears.
Yeah, different gears right there. You just move that knob. Right now we're just going to keep it on one. It has standard brakes. I'll go ahead and show you. The brakes work very well. They stop the bike really fast, and this brand is a Huffy. Yeah. It's got the reflectors right here on the back. Yeah, it has very nice brakes. Big fat tire, mountain bike tire. That's really all it's got. It says Colo right there. Not sure what that means. Do you have any idea?
No, I'd have no idea.
Yeah, earlier we tried to hook up a thing and then pull like a sled type thing with it. Didn't work. Got caught in the chain, which I knew it would.
Get caught all up in there.
Yeah, but we got it out.
Yep, we got it.
And that's all we have really for you today. See you next time. Bye.
Okay.